As a farm-to-table restaurant, Greenhouse strives to deliver modern Italian food from locally grown farms. As the seasons change, so does their menu. But something that remains the same is their dedication to chemical and GMO-free dishes.
So I was looking for an investment to open up a restaurant, and I ran into this building, and I just fell in love with it. The neighborhood sold me, the building, the greenhouse, the structure, just walking through, the energy that I felt inside here. I put an offer the next day. I'm also an animal lover, so I care where my food comes from. I care where our meats come from, where they're sourced, how they're raised, what they're fed. So that's really important for us here. People love the fact that we source clean food, organic, local, humanely raised animals, so that's really important to me. So I'm happy that initially, I've been in the restaurant business before, fast food business, and you try to make the bigger picture, the mass happy. But with this type of restaurant, it's a niche, and not everybody's going to want to pay the extra $2 for an organic meal, or knowing where it's sourced from, knowing that it's clean, and not minding paying extra money for it. So we decided to go with it and say, hey, people like us will love this place, and they'll appreciate it, and they'll be inspired from it.
For us, before we opened, we took about 2 years to conceptualize the space, and mainly we really just wanted to change the landscape of food consumption in the valley. We're a local neighborhood place. People walk here, they go for runs here, they meet up here. We're almost like the bar's filled right now, and it feels so great. So the Lehigh Valley was ready for something like this, but specifically here in the West End. And we're saturated pretty much everywhere else with this type of concept on some level, and we were really missing it here in the West End. I think the thing that makes me the happiest is I get thanked on a daily basis. When people come in and they have an experience, people just leave and they always just say, thank you for being here, thank you for doing this, thank you for bringing this to the West End, and that's so heartwarming. Honestly, I think a lot of people think that the local farm-to-table movement is new, and it's not. My mom was always really involved in starting co-ops and teaching people how to source and farm for themselves. And for me, that was so natural. And if you look back even just a few generations, you see grandparents growing what they eat and what they consume. And this is just so basic and rudimentary, but we're blessed enough to do it on a large scale instead of just in your own kitchen.
We make everything fresh in-house. Our pizza dough, our sauces. If you look at our freezer right now, there's just ice cream and ice cubes for the bar. Our freezer is literally this big. There's nothing in it. Everything's fresh, Everything's fresh and most importantly, clean. I'm proud to eat here. I'm proud to own this place. I really am.
If this episode has left you feeling hungry, come on out to the greenhouse and try one of their specialty dishes. Please share it with family and friends so they can learn about this great restaurant. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play.